Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command: sfc/scano. Press Enter. Let the scan run in the background while we continue with the next steps. Minimize the window. Step 2. Open the Start menu and type View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Under Performance, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Now make sure Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives is checked. Click OK. If it asks you to restart, select Restart Later. Click OK on all remaining windows. Step 3. Go back to the Command Prompt window. Wait for the SFC scan to reach 100%. Now type chkdsk/f/r. Press Enter. When prompted, type Y and press Enter again. Step 4. Now restart your computer. While your PC is booting, you may see a message saying, "Press any key to skip disk checking." Do not press any key. Let the disk check run automatically. This process may take several minutes. Final step. Once the scan is complete, your system will boot back into Windows. The kernel data in-page error should now be fixed.